the first question says that on the grid, clearly indicate the region that satisfies all these inequalities. So first, let's draw a line at x equals to 3. And since it's x greater than equal to 3, that means we will color this part. Then we draw a line for y greater than equal to 1. So this is the line. And for the shaded part, it's going to be above it. So now the last line, x plus y less than 5. So x plus y less than 5. So for that, first what we're going to do is we're going to find the x and y coordinates. So y is negative x plus 5. Y-intercept is 5 and negative slope. So that's going to be over here. This is the line. And since it's less than, so that's going to be this part. So which means the region that satisfies the inequality is basically this one. That is your region. Because over here, x is greater than equal to 3. Y is greater than equal to y, and x plus y is less than 5. And since it's less than 5, this line will be a dotted line. So this is going to be dotted. Because it's less than, or if it was greater than, it would also be dead. But if there's an equal to sign, then it's like a solid straight line. Next question says that make x the subject of this equation. So we have 1 over 3 w equals to 1 over 4x plus t. Let's move t to the other side first. So 1 over 3 w minus t equals to 1 over 4x. Multiply 4 on both sides to get rid of the 4 over here. So that's going to be 4 over 3w minus 4t equals to x. And that is your answer. In the next question, it says that write 0.31 recurring as a fraction. So let's assume that x equals to 0.31 recurring. If you multiply 10 with this, so 10x would be 3.1 recurring. And if you multiply 100 with this, that's going to be 31.1 recurring. So if we subtract 100x and 10x, that's going to be equal to 90x. And over here, we'll be doing 31.1 recurring minus 3.1 recurring. The reason why we're subtracting 100x and 10x is because we're trying to get rid of the numbers after the decimal. So that can only be done if you subtract 110. So 31.1 minus 3.1 is going to be 28. So x is going to be 28 over 90. We can divide both of these by 2, and that's going to give us 14 over 45. That is your answer. Then it says shown is an isosceles triangle. Calculate the area. So to calculate the area of this triangle, what we need is the angle between two sides. If we try to find this angle, we can use the cosine rule because we have all three lengths and we have to find the angle. So we'll do 10 square equals to 12 square plus 12 square minus 2 times 12 times 12 times cos of theta. This is theta. So that's going to be 100 equals to 144 plus 144 which is 288 minus 2 times 144. That's 288 cos of theta. So we do 100 minus 288 divided by negative 288 equals to cos theta. And that's going to give us cos theta equals to 0.6527 recurrent. So theta would be cos inverse of this. And that will give us 49.25 degrees. So now for the area, we'll use the formula 1 over 2 AB sine C. So 1 over 2 times, this is A, this is B, this is C. So 12 square times sine of angle 49.25. And that is going to give us 54.5 centimeters square. That is your area of this triangle.